Okay, so this is my final video about the Toyota Tundra PKE keyless entry install. I figured I'd make the final video about this. Had a little snowstorm, but I'm sure you guys don't care about that. So basically, I just want to kind of show you guys some of the things that I've added on here. So of course, you have like the new key fob I put on here because you get to pick from a wide variety of them. But when you walk up to the vehicle, it unlocks automatically. I turned off the loud beep because it's just driving me nuts. So now when I walk away from it, it'll actually lock itself, which is really good. Yeah. So it locks itself. You also have the push button start option. For this one, you got to use like the trunk option. For the other key fobs, they actually come with other logos on it. But basically, you just hold it down. Big fan of that. Then you just walk up to the vehicle. It's going to unlock itself. And then you can go inside of it. Once you're inside the vehicle, I haven't closed that all the way up. I just wanted to make sure I had everything right. Push button start is already in here, so I don't have to worry about pushing it to start it. Did have my lovely radio installed, and then I completed having the flip down DVD system installed. I installed that. It was probably harder than installing anything else, but I basically mirrors the screen and anything I put on here. So if I go to like file manager, car stuff, for like munchkins, I'll put on like not Caillou. Nobody wants to watch Caillou, but I'll put that on, and then I'll just lower the volume so I won't get copyright striked as if I'm doing something crazy. And then it gives you the option to kind of resume playing from the last watch, and then I'll come on here and it'll be up here. So this one's pretty cool. Got it for $100. It has like light options and things like that, so a little ambient lighting. So I figured I'd let everyone know that you can actually install that up here and it won't stop you from having any kind of visibility. It's $100 on eBay. See, doesn't really block any visibility, but I still wanted to keep my lovely console up here so I can store like lighters and whatever you want to call it. To turn it off, and then you can hop out. And it will lock itself as you walk away. Again, all of this together, the radio was $150. The DVD, or was not a DVD, because I got the one that doesn't come with a DVD drive because I don't need to watch DVDs. I can put everything on a USB stick and play it through my radio, or you can plug it into the actual flip down monitor. So that was 100, and then you have the 100 for the radio, and then you have 150 for the push button start. So roughly about $500. You can, yeah, about $500 to $600. You could have all of them together. But individually, yeah, you can kind of put them together. So just figured I'd let everyone know the finale of it and how it all kind of came together. Sorry, my vehicle is completely filthy, but now you guys know all you need to know about this. Hopefully, it can help a lot of people out because people just love to show you that they have a push button start and then they don't tell you how they did it. So at least I can show you people how I did it, and hopefully this helps you out. Go ahead and do it. It's super easy. Watch my first video. It'll actually show you how to get it done. Share it on forums and everywhere else like that. Again, this is for like the 2007 to 2013 Tundras. So go forth. It is easy. You can actually do it. I'll try and come back and see if people have questions and things like that. But this is from EASYGUARD, the canvas system for the Toyota Tundra. Don't buy the other one that requires you to cut wires. This one, you kind of just plug it in the canvas and then plug it in the ignition little slot, and then you're good to go. So you connect like 4 wires, and I showed you guys in the video. So hopefully it makes life a little bit easier for you guys. Good luck.